Hi, welcome to my craft room. So today I am sharing the journal that I made using In My Dreams, a kit from Nevermore Creation 17. So here are the pages. There are 7 pages. So I just love these butterflies and this design on here. Super cute. So with the 7 pages, when you fold them in half, you'll have 14 or 28 fronts and backs. Really pretty. Look at that. This butterfly. And the design, the background design is really pretty. This one's lacy, it's on one side, the other side's pink. And this one is a white lace, and the other side's white. Then you get 3 pages of ephemera, with a couple of pages being journaling cards, or you can turn them into pockets. So here's a set of 6 here. You got a dragonfly, got these pretty flowers, you get some music. Super cute. There's 6 more, lots of flowers. And then you got this page where you can make little tuck spots or just some extra ephemera to tuck into the pockets. So lots of fun and super cute. So let's get on to the journal. Today I have another journal. This one was made using Lizzie Nevermore Creation 17 digital kit. You can get her kits digital or printed. I'll have a link down below. Check out her store. She has lots and lots of digital kits along with ephemera packs and lots more. So head over there and check it out. Like I said, I used one of her kits. It's called In My Dreams. This is kind of a semi-soft cover. It's not super soft and it's not super stiff, but this was a really good quality cardstock, and this cardstock literally feels like it would be leather, but it's not. And I left the front cover pretty much as it is because I just think this paper was so pretty on its own. And I got a couple little spots of little blingies there, down here, and a couple spots on the back. And this is just white sari silk. It is one signature. It has 32 pages and 64 front and back. Here's the first page. And I stitched on coffee dyed paper onto this. So it is stitched all the way around. And then I made a couple tags. This piece here was in the kit and I attached it to a tag. The back is plain. And this is another piece in the kit. And I'd stitched around it and added coffee dyed paper and a little lace here. This is a pocket from the kit, and I added a little butterfly paper clip. This was a calendar I just thought was so pretty, so I added it in. You can see there's like a really cool little bird in there, but I just thought that was so pretty. And this here is a painty paper that I made on tissue paper, and this is actually the back side because I thought it looked really cool. So I glued that on to kind of cover up the calendar and just make it look cool. So there's a fabric lace pocket. This is a little like file folder that I cut out of my Cricut, and it's got book pages, and this is from a pop can, so that is metal or aluminum. So there's like a little, of course I can't remember the word, you know, where I have all these little pieces here and a button. So, and you can also glue stuff in there if you want paper in it to write in it or whatever. That's in the kit. All those pretty butterflies. And this was in the kit, and I kind of cut it with some funky scissors, and I glued it on the edge to make it like a little tab, and I added a piece of fabric back here. There's some coffee dyed graph paper. Another butterfly page. I also did some stamping and stenciling to complement all the other butterflies. And this was a piece of, I've had this forever. My kids were little. And they're older now. A lot older. Stationery paper. I just thought it was pretty. It looks like leaves and stuff. Rusted up the paper clip. And I bent it up. And then I added this here with a bead and music paper. This is this little card. It has butterflies on it. It's like a Project Life card, but not Project Life. This is avocado dyed paper. The pink. This is an envelope I added in here. This was a little piece of stationery, or like a notepad, and I glued that on because it was pretty. This opens up, and I think this tuck. Yeah, you got a tuck spot here. And I got a book page pocket here, so you can put it in here or here. And a little collage. That's the word I was looking for before. A little collage piece. This was some little strands of from off of fabric that I wadded up and thought it looked cool. Another book page. There's a music sheet with some rickrack and a pocket. There's a tuck pocket here. And this is another little tuck spot. This is one of those color catchers from the washing machine. Obviously I washed something red and it came out really pretty, so I sewed it up, added a button, and made a little tuck spot there. And this was in the kit here. This is in the kit. I turned one into a pocket, sewed around it, and left the other one for journaling. That's green food color dyed paper. This is a bag, which I made into a pocket. Flips open. There's a little guest check in here. I think that's a tuck spot. And that's coffee dyed guest check. And I did sew the edges. Another pretty butterfly page. This is another one of those cards. I think that was from the Misc Me from, yeah, here's what it's from. The whole set. It's from the Misc Me journaling box set from Tuesday morning. So that's where I got that from. They had lots of pretty butterflies in there, so I thought it went well. Coffee dyed paper, another journaling. Oh, this is a fold over. It's folded over. It's got a clip on it. But I attached it with a piece of muslin. And I put a rusted clip on it just to help so it don't move around. And there's the lacy page. I thought that was pretty. And I stamped some lines on there with one of these. This is out of a box of crackers. Coffee dyed paper. And this is a little tuck here. And this is a fabric flip for some hidden journaling or drawing. Another beautiful butterfly page. The other half of the bag, which I put more rickrack on, sewed, and a pocket here. Another little journaling paper. That's just a note card. A little collage there. There's another dyed paper. Oh, this is a little envelope I was playing around with, which I'll probably just leave it in there. I just need to add some string to it. It's just a little clear pocket envelope to stick stuff in. And again, I stamped on a little paper. I made a tab with the butterfly. And another butterfly there, or some stenciling. Music paper, and this is really light. You can see it's kind of like lacy. There's a little pocket here. Another one of these music envelope angles. Another card. The other half of the pocket. And that's a tuck as well, right there. Oh, and I stamped this half butterfly wing here and made this a tuck. And this is stamped on a grocery bag, paper grocery bag. And that's in there for journaling. And I thought that was really pretty. I really like that. I thought that came out good. The other half of the avocado paper. Another one of these fabric catcher ribbons. The other half of that paper, coffee paper. And here's a tuck. This is another piece of avocado dyed paper. Or no. That one I used beet juice. My mom made beets. And she gave me the juice, some of the juice. So that's red avocado dyed, or beet juice paper. Another one of the cards. And then I kept this so you can like tuck in small. I've got coffee dyed paper, and there's 4 little sections here. That's glued. But there's 4 sections, so you can move these around. That one's a little too small. But that, you can move put anything small in there. Another tabby. And this is more of the beet juice paper. I thought that was pretty. I made a pocket out of envelope, and I lined it with some paper, cardstock. And a tag that I made. I thought that was really pretty with an envelope, or a napkin tag decoupaged, coffee dyed paper stitched on. So there's a pocket there and a pocket here. So you can put stuff in there you can see. Yeah. There's the other half of that. My painty paper I did with another fabric, lace fabric pocket. And this was a new calendar, so I left the 2019 showing. There's the back side of the calendar page I thought was so pretty. Oh, I missed a thing here. And here's another pocket with from the kit. And another tag I made, which I need to add some string to it. The other half of the butterfly. And I don't know if you can see it. I put some Wink of Stella on the butterfly. It's sparkly. I can't tell if you can see it or not. But it's all sparkly there. And these were two more pieces that were in the kit. This one and this one. And I took some packaging paper and made like a little, I don't know what you call it, little pull apart thingy here that you can write in, draw on. And you can move it anywhere in the book, obviously. I just liked it there. There's the last page, and I did forget, inside both the pockets I do have some lace here. And I left these plain. I didn't add a pocket or anything, so you could kind of do whatever you want with it. So that is the In My Dreams journal. And it will be in my Etsy shop. I'll have a link down below for that. And you can check out Lindsay's shop for lots and lots of different kits. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.